Hello, welcome to Dr. Boyson's Reality Check. We'll be discussing the next chapter, conducting product or service prototype test. That is the next stage after doing profitability and feasibility testing. So what is prototype? Well, what is a prototype? A prototype is simply a sample. So after the profitability analysis have been and the feasibility analysis has been conducted, if we have favorable results, the next stage is to actually construct the physical product. If it is a service, it is actually rendering the service itself. We do this to some cross-section of employees and then customers, and we stress that the same employees and customer segment of employees and customers we use for the concept development and the testing, we still go back and use, we develop this physical product or we develop the service so that we can share with them as samples for them to give us a feedback. So during this phase, the concept is refined to the point where a detailed product or service blueprint representing the implementation plan for the product can be produced. The blueprint is likely to evolve over a series of interactions on the basis of input from all the parties. All parties that we've shared the concept with will say that, okay, comparing the concept and then comparing the actual product, there are some disparities, so we have to change the color, we have to change the packaging. If it's a service, they might tell us the way where the service is rendered is not the best. Or maybe they might say it takes too much time in the service process to deliver or the lead time for the service is too high and also or it's too long, so we should change or amend some of the processes so that the customer can get a very good service to be rendered to that customer. So these are inputs that will come from all parties just to make sure that at the prototype testing stage, we're able to refine the concept and get the final product on point or get it accurate as was developed in the concept. So in the case of a service, a final step involving in the rendering of the service is done to translate the final blueprint into specific implementation. So the final stage of the service, there will be some sort of amendment, and then we see how we're able to translate the final blueprint to specific implementation, and to also ensure that the service is delivered as conceptualized. Thank you very much for your time, and don't forget to subscribe to Dr. Boyson's Reality Check, and then do click on the notification bell so that we can send you videos as and when we come live, or you receive notification from us when we are live on YouTube. The next section will be market testing. Stay tuned and goodbye.